Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. My name is Greg. Today we're going to take a look at the Euro New Zealand dollar. This is a follow-up video. If you haven't seen the original video, I'll leave a link in the description below. It might be worth checking out just so you get the philosophy behind what's occurring and how we chase these stop hunts. Okay, so we were looking at this big move up with some consolidation. I was half expecting this channel to continue, but we actually did dip below a good 25 points below this level. That would have cleared out all these stops, and we just started to climb out. I got a nice little entry here, and now depending on where you got in, how you got in, I'll leave that up for you guys to manage. But I was at a 28.5, I think it was my stop. I was shooting for a 3-to-1 on my first position, and obviously shooting for some extended targets on the remainder of the position. Now we did go sideways for quite an extended period of time. Usually I like to see these stop hunts occur and climb out quite rapidly. That doesn't always happen. Sometimes we do go sideways for a while. Nothing wrong with that. It's all about knowing the strategy and how it works and what to look for. And yeah, my first position got filled, rolled my stops to break even, and then unfortunately you can see we had some rather good news for the New Zealand dollar. The Kiwi soared after the central bank hinted at a less dovish policy path than many people had expected. Unfortunately, that didn't work in our favour this time round. Sometimes it does. One key thing is obviously to be aware of the news. If you're holding positions, either take some profit, roll to break even, or you can roll the dice. I'll leave that for you guys to decide. But yeah, I hope you found this video interesting, and I hope you enjoy this type of analysis. If you do, please give it a like, give it a share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.